Hey, we have an exciting update for you. Did you know that OpenAI's ChatGPT integration is now available on Kommunicate? I will tell you how to integrate it with Kommunicate. But before that, let me show you how this restaurant bot behaves before the integration. So as you can see, the bot cannot reply to the queries apart from its trained data. Now let's integrate ChatGPT with Kommunicate. All you need to do is go to the Bot Integrations page, then Manage Bots, and select the particular bot builder that you want to integrate with ChatGPT. Click on Settings here. Please make sure that the Small Talk option is disabled. This will ensure that there are no overlapping generic messages. Toggle this button to connect that bot with OpenAI's ChatGPT. Let's go to the restaurant bot again and ask the same questions. Congrats! Now you have successfully integrated OpenAI's ChatGPT with Kommunicate. Subscribe to our channel for more updates.